Hi guys, it's week 5. Trying to see which week can I look scarier. One of these days I'll maybe put some makeup on. Anyway, back to what we're doing. So we are in math class this week, obviously. It's week 5, so after this week we'll be halfway through. This week we are going to be practicing converting improper fractions into mixed numbers and then vice versa. So mixed numbers back to improper fractions. You've been probably doing this for a while, but sometimes we need to refresh our memory how to do this. So I'm going to review 6 problems with you. And let me tell you what else we're going to do. So let me zoom in here. All right. So this is what we're going to do this week. Woo. There we go. So first of all, Thursday at 3 p.m., I will have office hours. If anybody needs any help with how to do this, converting from improper fractions back to mixed numbers, just pop on the meeting link that I'll post at 3 p.m. I'm going to be making a video right now. This is the video, just to review 6 problems. I posted 3 mazes. They're Google Slides, and I posted a video on how to do the 3 mazes. Try to have those done by Thursday morning. I will also post an answer key Thursday morning to the mazes in case you need help. And then as always, 3 and 4, I post those every week. Step 3 is to complete those web math multiplication 3 times. And step 4 is to submit your 3 scores. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple of these problems. I'm going to write big because I obviously need a better setup over here. So let's do mixed numbers into improper fractions first. I'll do it real big so you can see. You see that? Yep. 2 1/3. We're going to convert that into an improper fraction. Improper fraction means that the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So what we do is we take the denominator and we multiply it by the whole number. And then we take that answer and add it to 1. And that becomes our numerator. And then our denominator will always be the same. Okay. So 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 7/3. Let's do another one. 4 3/4. Okay, so the denominator is going to be the same. We say 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. And that's that answer. Let's try one more. See, this is why you should be practicing your multiplication facts, because it makes doing these problems a lot easier. The concept, you probably got it down pat, but if you know the multiplication, it makes converting much easier. So this one's going to be a little harder. It's 6 1/8. So now we have to remember that the denominator stays the same. So we say 8 times 6. That's might be a little harder for some of you guys. 8 times 6 is, think about it in your head. Yep, it's 48. And then we're going to add 1 to it. It makes it 49. So the answer is 49/8. Okay. Now I'm going to do 3 problems in the other direction. Improper fraction into a mixed number. So let's do 12/7. Okay. So again, the denominator is going to stay the same. We're going to have to say now 7 goes into 12 how many times, and that's going to give us our whole number. Well, 7 times 2 is 14, so it can't be 2. So it's going to be 1. The whole number is 1. So 7 times 1 is 7. So now we're going to say 12 minus 7, and that's going to give our answer here. 12 minus 7 is 5. So the answer is 1 5/7. Okay, I'm going to do another one. 15/4, 15/4. Okay, denominator is going to stay the same. First, we're going to figure out the whole number and the numerator. So 4 goes into 15 how many times? Well, I always remember 4 times 4 is 16, so it's not that. So it must be 4 times 3. So I make the whole number 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So I'm going to say 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 in my head is 3. So the answer is 3 3/4. Now, if you wanted to check this to make sure you have the right answer, say 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3. So 12, 13, 14, 15. And that's the same answer. Okay. Last one. It's always good to do the reverse of the problem to check your work. When I was a kid, we had to, like if we took a quiz, we had to do the problems, and then we had to, in a different color pen, go back and check our work, or different color pencil actually, and then before we were even allowed to hand it in. 17 thirds.